Make sure you know what to expect from the location of your sunroom. Hey there, I'm Callie with JSB Home Solutions, and when you're adding a sunroom, most homes have one spot that just makes the most sense for the build. That means the direction it faces is usually already decided for you. But here's the thing, each orientation has its own personality. From the warmth of a south-facing winter sun to the calm, steady glow of northern light, knowing what to expect can help you get the most out of your new favorite room. We've designed and built hundreds of sunrooms right here in Central Ohio, so we've learned exactly how orientation affects comfort and light in every season. In this video, I'll walk you through what to expect from each direction, so there are no surprises, just smart choices in a space you'll love year-round. A sunroom is all about enjoying natural light, but not all sunlight is the same. The way your sunroom is positioned will shape how you experience it. Everything from the temperature and brightness to the times of day you naturally want to spend time there. In the summer, the right orientation can keep things cooler and more comfortable. In the winter, it can help you capture extra warmth when you need it most. It also affects how things like glare on your screens, fading on fabrics, and how well your plants thrive. When you understand how the sunlight moves through your space, you can plan furniture placement, choose the right window treatments, and design a room that works beautifully for you year-round. An east-facing sunroom greets the day with soft golden light, perfect for sipping coffee or easing into the morning. It stays cooler once the afternoon rolls around, which makes it a comfortable spot almost year-round. Plants that thrive in gentle light will love it here, and you'll find the brightness in spring and fall especially inviting. Even in summer, the afternoons stay pleasantly cool, giving you a space that's just as enjoyable when the temperatures climb. If you're after maximum sunlight, south-facing is the winner. From mid-morning to late afternoon, you'll have a steady stream of natural light. And in the winter, that sunshine can help keep the space warm and cozy. The flip side is that summer afternoons can get warm quickly, so features like good ventilation, shades, or insulated glass are your best friends. Through the seasons, this orientation offers a cheerful, sun-filled atmosphere. Just be ready to manage that extra summer heat. A west-facing sunroom is all about afternoons and evenings. As the day winds down, the light turns warm and golden, giving you the perfect backdrop for family dinners, relaxing after work, or simply enjoying the sunset. In the fall and winter, that late-day sun feels wonderfully cozy, but in midsummer, you may notice more heat and glare in the evenings. Tinted glass or solar shades can keep the space comfortable without sacrificing those beautiful views. A north-facing sunroom has a different kind of charm. The light here is soft, steady, and even from morning to night without the harsh glare you get from direct sun. This makes it ideal for reading nooks, home offices, or craft rooms, anywhere you want a calm, comfortable atmosphere. It stays cooler in the summer, holds steady in the winter, and works beautifully as a year-round retreat that never feels too hot or too cold. Beyond direction, there are other factors that can make a big difference. Trees and landscaping can filter or block light, changing the feel of the room. Your view matters too. Sometimes privacy or scenery will be the deciding factor. And of course, how you use the room plays a big role. A morning coffee spot, a sunset watching space, or a year-round family room all have different needs. When we design your sunroom, we look at all of these details together so the space feels just right for you in every season. Ready to see what a sunroom could look like for your home? Schedule a free consultation with our team. We'll walk your property, talk through how you want to use the space, and create a design that's perfect for your home and your lifestyle. You can also visit our showroom to experience the options for yourself. No matter which way your sunroom faces, you can make it the best seat in the house. Smart choices today lead to a home you'll love tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and always remember to dream big and remodel smart.